Hi everyone, this is Kristen with the Tech Reviewer, and today I'm here to install and review the new Zagg Glass Elite Plus screen protector for iPhone 12 mini. This product is made from a special aluminosilicate glass, which makes it 4 times stronger than your typical glass screen protector. It has an antimicrobial component, which is going to kill 99.99% of the most common surface bacteria. It comes with an easy install tray and is covered by Zagg's limited lifetime warranty. Lots to love here. Let's get this installed on my iPhone 12 mini and check it out. Looking at the contents of the box, we have the easy install tray, we have the screen protector itself, and we have a little packet here with our installation things. Inside we have a nice quality microfiber cloth, we have a dust removal sticker, and we have a disinfecting wipe to clean your screen. As I'm sure you know, dust is the enemy of a successful screen protector installation. Be sure to work in a clean and well-lit environment and do your best to get your phone as clean as you possibly can. So we do have this included wet wipe on here. So let's get the phone cleaned up a little bit and then dry it with the microfiber cloth. Finally, use your dust removal sticker to remove any remaining dust. Next, you want to take your install tray and place it carefully down on top of your phone. Next, take a look at your screen protector. There's a few important things to note here. First of all, see the little handles that I'm holding here? These are the best areas to hold on to the screen protector. This way you can be sure that you're not touching any of the adhesive areas. Second thing is we do have a bottom and a top to the screen protector. The top is obviously this area with the cutout for the notch, so be sure to put that on the top of your phone screen and not put it on backwards. And the third thing to notice is that we have this little tab here marked 1. You're going to need to peel this away to expose the adhesive side, and then essentially you're going to flip this whole thing over and place it on top of your phone screen within the confines of the installer. Before you do this, it's a good idea to go over your phone screen one more time with that dust removal sticker to remove any remaining dust. Wow, that is a great installer. Next, peel away your top layer to reveal the screen protector itself, and then remove the install tray. Wow, that's awesome. I love Zagg screen protectors. This was so easy. I mean, how to mess up on this? It's pretty much impossible. Particularly with the new flat edge designs of the phones, it makes a screen protector installation even easier, but honestly, Zagg screen protectors are probably the easiest ones that I've ever installed. Their install tray is absolutely genius, so great result. As you can see, we have a case-friendly design here, so this doesn't go quite all the way to the edge, but you should be able to use this with basically pretty much all cases. It's not a super thin screen protector because they're going for a more protective screen protector, I think. But I think everything looks really great here. This has nice rounded edges also, feels very nice against your fingertips. And it's made of this special aluminosilicate glass, which is 4 times stronger than your typical tempered glass screen protectors, so you're going to be in much better shape in terms of cracking and chipping and all that over time. Of course, this screen protector is covered by Zagg's limited lifetime warranty, so that if it does break or become worn over time, you can get Zagg to replace it for free, although you do have to pay a shipping and handling fee. In terms of look and feel, I think everything is absolutely outstanding here. We've got beautiful optical clarity. This is a very responsive screen protector, no issues with haptic touch. Feels buttery smooth underneath your fingertips. Got a great oleophobic coating on here, and this is going to be extremely scratch resistant as well. So this type of screen protector, although very protective, doesn't tend to be quite as impact protective as a specialized impact protection screen protector. However, you probably need that a little bit less this year with the new ceramic shield technology in the iPhone screens. That's very good against impact protection, less good against scratch protection, so I think having an excellent tempered glass screen protector protector, which is great against scratching, is probably a really good way to go this year. Overall, this is just a lovely screen protector, super easy to get on your phone, and it should provide excellent protection for your new iPhone screen. Lots to love here with the Zagg Glass Elite Plus for iPhone 12 mini. Again, we've been looking at the Zagg Glass Elite Plus screen protector for iPhone 12 mini. This product is available directly from Zagg as well as from many other retailers, and it's priced at $39.99. Many thanks to the kind folks at Zagg for sending me out this sample to review. If you have any questions about it, please feel free to put them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. And please hit that subscribe button because I have a lot more case and screen protector reviews coming up. Again, this is Kristen with the Zagg Glass Elite Plus screen protector for iPhone 12 mini. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.